Okay, guys, we're coming up into 1 o'clock. It's like 10 to. I need to drop an order in, so bear with me a second while I quickly do that and I flick it over so you can see what the hell it is that I'm up to. I'm actually doing a 5 pip scalp. So it'll be 25 quid for the pot. I want it over and done with pretty darn quick. There's US data and one thing this afternoon. We out of kind of the euro data at the minute. But you've got to be careful when you're looking at data. Now, what I do is, if you let me just switch on the website, I will quickly show you, just while I'm watching this, is this. So I use Baby Pip's economic calendar. And I do it very simply because I can quickly filter out all of the crap, okay? So straight away what we can see in and around here is there's medium data coming in on the euro, but the main sort of euro news was in and around this time here, okay? So I'm not that fussed. But what we are going into at this moment in time is a lot of US data this afternoon. So if you're euro dollar or anything like that, it's going to hit you. And as you can see, it's quite condensed. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 on each of the hours running through the afternoon. This is one of the reasons why I'm at EURJPY today, because the euro news is finished and I can trade it from a technical point of view. But I'm only taking what the market will give me at any given time. Now, at the moment, it's 5 pips. That's all that would be safe at this moment. So I'll do that, and I'll try and get that done this hour. And that's what I've been doing today. So 50 quid, 35, 40 quid each hour running through, okay? And that's it. So, again, so if you see the other videos, you'll have seen it track through. So let's play this one off, and hopefully it'll score.
Sell. Well, we watch and wait.
Okay, guys, it's another 25 quid in the bag. It was a very simple scalp, this one. I was looking for the break of this fib, and I'm just carrying on with what I was doing earlier on today, which was a classic Kylie. Now, a classic Kylie is watching for a break of strength, which is here. And then if we drop it down into here, what you'll see is there's the accelerant, and you're taking fibs and then you're working against that as it collapsed to the opposite side of the Bollinger Band, and it now comes into a level where it'll just bounce. Now that's it done for this hour, so I'll revisit it again maybe about 2 o'clock. Okay.